This lesson is called Word Problem Involving Fractions and Multiplication. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've been using my videos. It just will help me out a little bit. So a bookstore had 64 copies of a magazine. Yesterday, the bookstore sold 5/8 of these copies. How many copies were sold yesterday? We're talking about like they sold a fraction and then they're asking how many they sold. So we just multiplied 64 by 5/8 because we want to know 5/8 of 64. So I like to divide by 8 first. 8 times 8 is 64, so 8 goes into 64 8 times. We to multiply that by 5, and we get 40. So 40 copies were sold yesterday. Let's do another one. At a certain school, 7/8 of the students are girls. Today, 3/4 of the girls bought their lunch. What fraction of the students are girls who bought their lunch today? So because 7/8 are girls, that just tells you actually how many are girls. So we're just going to do 7/8. That's how many girls there are. And 3/4 of those bought lunch. And we want to know how many bought their lunch. So we're going to multiply 7/8 by 3/4. So we have 21/32. We can't reduce that. So we're just going to write down our fraction, 21 over 32. There we go. And let's just do one more. Last year, 150 new houses were built in the neighborhood. So far this year, 2/5 of them have been sold. How many have been sold? So there's that of. So 150 or 2/5 of 150. So we're just going to go ahead and multiply 150 by 2/5. And again, we'll divide by the denominator to get 30 times 2 is 60. So 60 houses were sold. And that's the end of the lesson.